Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing well and safe. Welcome back to yet another breakfast ride. It's a cloudy morning in Bengaluru today. The clouds are starting to pop out slowly. So we're going to ride to a place called Kaigal Falls, which is in the Andhra district, which is 120 kilometers from my place. So it's going to be a round trip of about 240 to 50 kilometers a day. A pretty decent one for a one-day ride. So I'm going to be riding with 3 other riders today. Let me fill up some fuel. 500. Morning. Damn, there's a lot of traffic. It's because of the buses. I think this is a common stop for a lot of transport, especially people who want to travel to Andhra or Chennai. The climate is actually nice. So this is the first breakfast ride after our monsoon trip. So if you're new to the channel and haven't got that, do check them out on the channel and also subscribe if you like my content. With the quite popular Hoskote tollgate and a common meetup point for a lot of bikers, a lot of bike riding clubs tend to meet here as a common meetup point. So we had been to Kailasagiri Hills. I think that was my first vlog that I posted on YouTube. So we had to take a left, I think 100 meters behind. So if you haven't caught that episode, I'm going to place a link somewhere here. Do check it out. I think the sun tried its best to pop out behind those clouds. So we are planning to breakfast at Highway Star, which is a pit stop kind of a place where there are multiple restaurants. So that's our usual adda of sorts when we travel on this highway. So we have a pit stop or our usual adda on every highway where we like to have breakfast on these breakfast rides. This is our adda for breakfast today. Some crowd இருக்கு. Some crowd இருக்கு. என்ன பண்ணல? ஏதோ சைடுல சொன்னாங்க முல்பாகல் அது போலாம். பிரசாதா? பார்க்கலாம் முன்னாடி. Okay, so small change in plan. We're planning to breakfast at Prasad Dosa Center in Mulbagal, which is quite a famous one. It is also on the way to Kaigal Falls, so it shouldn't be a problem. So this place is in Mulbagal town. I think we had to take a left from the highway, another 270 meters. Shit, it's so crowded. Okay, I'm going to be tasting the Mulbagal dosa for the first time. Guys, dosa is too good, so definitely try it. I love the crispiness of the dosa. How's it? You talaatu mode yositu. Worth it, right? Dude, that was some amazing breakfast. The dosa was amazing. I love the crispiness and the taste. You must definitely try this one, especially in Mulbagal. It definitely lived up to the expectations that we had. A good breakfast, a very good breakfast to conclude. And we are back on the highway, heading towards Kaikal Falls. So Kaikal Falls is another 25 kilometers from here. Some photo shoot sessions. Nice roads with good colors around, completely greenery. We are now in AP, Andhra Pradesh. So we've crossed the border. Like I said, this place is in AP district, the bordering districts of Andhra. Another 3.3 kilometers, the falls. Man, look at this road. Damn. Okay, time for some saddling. Okay, so we are trekking right now. So the trekking distance is about 1 kilometer. I didn't tell the boys that there's trekking here because I've been here once last year. Shock I want to see the reaction of Silos. What's up, Silo?
Hey man. I'll try.
Look at the path. This is what it is. I think while going it's easy, while coming back it's going to be a pain in the ass for sure, because thank God it's not summer though. I can already hear the sound of the waterfalls. Oops, the water flow is extreme because of monsoon. Look at this. Oh my god, this is adventurous. Man, this is too slippery. It's not difficult, but it's slippery. Okay, that's it. We are here. Look at this. Damn. The water levels are high this time because of monsoon. Dilip is not upload you. Hey. Dilip, if you're watching this, I'm sorry bro. This is for Dilip, who missed today's ride. Damn, I feel like I want to play in the water. Kamal, huh? Last time I was there. How's the place, guys? Okay, this place was good during the monsoon. I had visited during summer, it wasn't that great, but now I think it was amazing. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you liked this video and the adventure. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.